Hey guys, Raining Kimono here. So, I am so excited that there is going to be a clearance event from the 21st right till the 23rd over at the Dollar General, and part of it is clearance merchandise that's tagged will be an extra 50% off. I've noticed stores around here, the staging has been crazy. I just showed you a couple of slides. Shout out and thank you to the freebie guy. He posted this on his Instagram. As you can see, it's starting on Friday the 21st, ending on the 23rd. The second bullet is clearance section, extra 50% off. If you guys are familiar with my channel, I love to go crazy for that, pairing it with digital coupons, some of the stuff that you can find. This video is full of money makers and overage and cheapies and like stuff that's, this is extreme couponing for us. So if you can participate this Friday, Saturday, Sunday, this is going to be fantastic. And this is one of my favorite events over there. Like, this is my Christmas and birthday. I love, love, love this event because I love looking for clearance and pairing it with coupons and winning. To answer a quick question, can you use the 5 off of 25 with this? Yes, but typically by Saturday, a lot of the stores that have a lot of merchandise are sometimes a little bit picked over, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, you can get extra savings, especially say you were going to just buy $25 of food. Using this, you probably can put a huge dent in your pantry with clearance food. Because I've been doing this for a while, guys, what I would recommend is either on Wednesday or Thursday, to go to your store, walk through the clearance aisle and scout. See what they have. Are they displaying stuff? Are they setting stuff up? Are they staging stuff? What's going on? And you can always ask, hey, are you guys having a clearance event this weekend too, to staff? And definitely load the coupons that I'm showing you today. Because if you want to get in on, especially with some overage, today's the day to load them. Use your Dollar General app in store to scan merchandise to make sure that things are ringing up for the costs that we're discussing. I have a video on that. I will link it on the end, how to use the Dollar General app and how to scan stuff in store to see what they're ringing up for. And myself, I'm going out Friday morning, guns blazing. I really want to look for some stuff and make things happen. Really scout your stores, know what they might have in stock, and visit many stores if you have the opportunity. And this is just absolutely fantastic. So if you want a quick example to see if your town is participating, on Friday morning, first thing, open up your Dollar General app, scan this barcode. So either do this from a desktop computer or put this screenshot on your husband's phone or mom's phone, and then just take a quick shot. So as you can see, this is on clearance for $1.50. When it turns over on Friday morning, this will be showing up for 75 cents. Because I know some stores, for whatever reason, don't even do clearance event. So that being said, if this brings up for 75 cents, you're in business. If you could please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a big old thumbs up, really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And typically this store went a bit extreme with the signage, but as you can see, it says 50% off. Things will not be in bins. They want it, where people will not congregate. So it's going to be mostly like shelves and end caps and that sort of area. But I have seen so much stuff already. And this was from a clearance event, I think in June, and the store was like beautifully staged. And the magic of this, guys, is like this basket. I think I had 10 bags of cat food, a ton of Mr. Clean. It was just like the most winningness of winning. And I think I got like $60 of stuff for $14, pairing it with a 5 off of 25. There's a lot of magic to be had and found with this sale. So that being said, let's start talking about some overage. So with this event, guys, there's a lot of totes that are in the back of the store. They'll bring it out specifically for this and pull the items out to entice shoppers to buy. Now, this is one item, especially if if they're really cutting down on clutter, they might be throwing these razors in and out for different clearance events. So this little guy is actually a penny. And if you might be so lucky to track one down, we have a wonderful $4 off coupon that's giving you $3.99 of overage. Just to show you, do a quick scan, and that coupon's a fixing. That's almost $4 of overage, so be on the lookout for that razor. And also, this little lady's also a penny, and I know that many bins it's probably going to be found in during the next clearance event. And then we have a wonderful $4 digital coupon that's giving you another $3.99 of overage. So, those two alone, that's almost $8 of overage. Load them to your store card, and you are in business for some, You can get a lot of stuff with $8 on a clearance event. Whatever your overage is, guys, if it's $3.99 or 15 cents, you need something in your basket to pick up that cost because they will not give you cash for your overage and it might mess things up at checkout. So just keep an eye out for that and just remember that and don't forget to grab something for your overage. Okay, the next little deal that we're going to talk about, these Roto Jolts are on clearance for $3. So at the clearance event, they'll be $1.50. We have either a $3 or a 7 off a 2. And yes, it's attaching to that. So using that $3 coupon, it's going to be free plus $1.50 of overage. Now, if you might be so lucky to have that 7 off a 2 for this specific product, it's free plus $4 of overage. I mean, guys, if you can find this stuff, because I've been seeing it in a lot of clearance sections, this is one item to grab, especially if you have the digital coupons. And I will show you those coupons here in a quick second. But I mean, this could possibly be $5.50 of overage. So, I mean, this is just absolutely fantastic. This is the $3 and then the 7 off a 2. And yes, it is in fact scanning with that. These are no longer available to load, but if you loaded them a couple weeks back, you are in business for some serious overage. Another superb deal is the Suavital fabric softener. This guy is going to be $1.35 starting on Friday. We have a $1.50 digital coupon, making it free plus 15 cents of overage. Hi. I mean, this is just absolutely fantastic. I've never tried this this scent, but I know that my mother-in-law likes anything with like a flower scent, so this would definitely be something I'll grab for her. I did spot this in a couple different stores, so absolutely load that $1.50 coupon, and if you can make this happen, there is nothing better in this world than free fabric softener because, I mean, hello, it's just absolutely fantastic. Guys, there's so many examples like this in this video that this is going to be maybe one of the best Dollar General clearance events ever. I'm so excited. And this is what the $1.50 coupon looks like. Load it, use it. It's going to be amazing. Okay, this is also quite fantastic. This Gain fabric softener, it's botanical softener with this orange scent. It's going to be $1.80 starting on Friday. We have a $1 digital coupon that's affixing to this product, making it 80 cents. 80 cents for Gain fabric softener. Oh my gosh, it's just fantastic. And if you look right beside it, I see some Suavital too. So I mean, that's like winning in every different way. It's fantastic. And this is what the digital looks like. So make sure you have that guy loaded. And then this guy, if you can find it, it'll be $2.47, 50% off. We have a $1 digital coupon, making it $1.47. I found a ton of these in the regular soap section, and I found a bunch in clearance, but they were on an end cap just on their own. So I was like, what? And then I scanned it with my phone the last time there was a clearance event, and I think I got them all for free. Because I think I had a $1.50 coupon. And just to give you a quick peek, what do those coupons look like? We have a $1 off and then a 2 off a 2. So depending how many that you find, make sure to look at end caps in your store because that's where I found a bunch. We have the Flintstone vitamins. This will be $3.15 on Friday. Subtracting a $3 digital coupon for this, what? It's going to be 15 cents. Now let's be careful. There's a $3 and a $1. Don't load that $1, load only the $3 because you want the biggest coupon to come off. And just to show you what the coupon looks like, here it is. And yes, it in fact is attaching. So how wonderful is that? And the one a day for men, I didn't see any women's supplements though. This will be $3.60. We have a $3 digital coupon dropping it down to 60 cents. So that is not a bad price point for vitamins. And this is what the coupon looks like, $3 off. Now let's do some rapid fire photos and I'm going to show you the price. So $1.80 for this multi-purpose lighter. This is a fantastic price point because these are usually like $3 or $4 and this is Bic. So it's a really great company. We have these Luden's melatonin drops, so something to take before bed for 67 cents. That right there is a fantastic price point. And if you want to use the Dollar General app to scan any of these barcodes, feel free to do so, guys. This Dynatap is $2.25 starting on Friday. There's a $1 Peely on the box, so $1.25. Oh my gosh, that's a great price point. And then Mr. Relieve is $3.02. And if you might have like Peelies or other types of coupons, or if there might be a rebate or something like that, let us know in the comments. because there's so many items here, it's hard to, look for every single one. We have some Vagisil for $2.02. This would be a great item to grab some of that overage. It's just a great product too. And then we have the children's Triamenic for $2.02 as well. So absolutely look at the expiry dates. This one's valid until March of 2021. And the U by Kotex, at 50% off, this guy is $3.37. There's $1 off too, but to pay $5.75 for two things of U by Kotex, when we get so much of this stuff for your cheap with Ibotta, I can't part with that much money. If you have overage and you want to buy this, go for it, but it's still an expensive one. And we have these Rexall. It's like a smoking patch of some sort to quit smoking for $1.50. So that's some significant savings right there. And the Alka-Seltzer tabs for cold and cough would be $2.70. Lots of cold medications on clearance everywhere. And then we have some vitamins for the ladies for $2.80. And I'm not sure if there's a Nature's Bounty manufacturer right now for that product. Okay, so now we're going to go into some health and beauty products, including this Dial body wash for $1.57 at 50% off. Unfortunately, no digitals right now for it, but lots of stores had a lot of this body wash. We have an Arm & Hammer deodorant for $1. I mean, not the greatest price point unless this is your favorite thing of all time and you need this or else definitely grab one. And we have this Mr. Clean Freak, so it's a refill for the bottle for $1.35. That right there is a really great price point. I know there was $1 off to digital. Unfortunately, it's not attaching to this product. And we have this Endust for $1.57. I think I found a 55-cent Peely, so I might try and use it for this product and get one. Why not? I've been watching so much supermarket sweeps on Netflix, and they're always talking about Endust. And then we have the Clorox 2 for $1.35. For whatever reason, the last couple clearance events, this product, even at $1.35, nobody wants it. So maybe I'll grab one. And then we have these Dawn scrubbing pads for $1.12. It looks like a really nice pad and, something to grab with overage, that is for sure. And this is kind of a neat little product. It is an all-purpose cleaner for $1.12. So from your kitchen to even your bathroom, it might be a really great product. It kills germs, so I might have to grab that with some overage. And then we have these Dawn mesh scrubbers, so they are 67 cents. And this is like name brand stuff. This isn't like just generic. So there's some really big savings to be had and found this weekend at the Dollar General. And then we have these drop-ins by Scrubbing Bubbles. There's always some sort of coupon somewhere for this, so maybe we'll find one either in an insert or on coupons.com. So $1.75, that is not the worst. And then we have the Snuggle for $2.02. Obviously, if you have some overage or put this in a 5 off of 25 basket, that's the way to do it. But $2.02 for this product. And this is a really fantastic deal. Now we're going to start talking about food. These Campbell's Chunky, every store I visited had a lot of them. Grabbing two of them, that's $1.75. We have $1 off to digital manufacturer, dropping it down to 75 cents for two cans or 37 cents each. If you just even want to get a chicken noodle one, if somebody gets sick in your household, this is just a really great item to grab. And here is the coupon. And now we have some of these bubbly drinks for $1.87. I don't think I've ever seen this product this cheap. And if you like sparkling beverages, this is a really great one. My husband loves it. And then we have a bunch of snacks now. We have the Back to Nature plant-based snacks for $1.05. So lots of stuff if you really wanted to stock up your pantry. This stuff doesn't fly on the first day, so you might want to stock up, on Saturday with a 5 off of 25. We have some Pop-Tarts for $1.12. I know there was $1 off 2 coupon in a recent Retail Me Not, so that would really drop it down if you bought 2 of them. And then we have the Jack Link's beef jerky for $1.12 as well. Okay, and now we have some granola bars. It's by this company, Good and Smart, so it's $1.30. Obviously, if you're trying to build up your pantry, lots of these snacks, you could probably make a basket for $25. And then we have the corn oil for 75 cents. It is a smaller container, but hey, still great for the pantry. If you're stuck at home forever, you can do a lot with corn oil. And then one item I definitely will be grabbing is the Silk Almond. It's in a box for 90 cents. Especially, we get snowed in a lot here too. This is probably a great item to grab to fill up your pantry for the winter time. Last group of photos we're going to look at is candy, and I found a ton of it at this one store. So we have these little Milky Way Midnights for 45 cents each, so like 90% off, 45 cents. If you had a bunch of overage and this is something you wanted to grab, you know, it's really a smart buy. And then also these gummies, also 90 cents. I'm sure all this stuff is going to penny one day, and I just won't be there to find it all, but yeah, 45 cents if that's your favorite thing. And then they also had like healthier options too, including this like trail mix. A lot of you are probably gonna say that's not healthy, but 38 cents, you know, maybe just a snack for the car or something like that. And then also these little Milano cookies for 45 cents. And I think there was like 3 cookies in a bag, so you're not really getting away right there with a lot. And then we also have this little chocolate thing for 45 cents as well. And there was like 3 of them in a package. So, you know, it was impossible to grab photos of everything, but there was a lot of food during this clearance. And then we have a Kind bar for 75 cents. Maybe Ibotta might have a rebate for that. We'll have to double, triple check that. And then the final item that we're looking at, and there was a ton of this, are these M&Ms with the hazelnut spread for 35 cents. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.